ending of last year, 2023, I embarked on touring the infrastructures put up by this new government of Anambra State, and the ending of this year, I'm back again with another new update concerning the infrastructures. This is Ekwueme Stadium in AWKA, the capital of Anambra State. So I've been passing through here over the years now, and I think the reconstruction or the rebuilding of this Ekwueme Stadium started earlier this year or ending of last year. So since I've been visiting the new government house of Anambra State under construction, I've been noticing that a little bit of work is going on there, but I have not gotten an opportunity to kind of access the building to go and check the level of reconstruction or rebuilding that is currently going on. And yesterday I visited AWKA again, and I went inside that place to go and give it a tour. And lo and behold, I met a level of work that is quite impressive inside the place. A kind of a new sitters is being put in place inside there, and currently they have just two set of sitters inside the square. They have stadium which is not, I would say, not properly being kept. It's just a kind of a childish grant currently, but the auditorium where a kind of where other things are happening, the major square is well organized and well put up. So they just have only two sitters, where the audience can be kept. Whenever there is events, they have two sitters. Once you come in, there is one by your right hand and there's one facing you. Then they are now putting another one by the left hand side. So a kind of a huge reconstruction is going on there. Even at the gates, they are also rebuilding the gates. The gate reconstruction is almost getting to completed. So a lot of work is going on there. A lot of things are being changed. A lot of new things are being put up, to make the place look more nice. The Ekwueme is at you will see Ekwueme Square before you get to the new government house, the one that is under construction currently in AWKA, and the Ekwueme is currently located in AWKA too. So once you get to if you're coming from Onitsha or Enugu or anywhere, just alight at the what is it called, the Aroma Junction. Then you took your right if you are coming from Enugu. Then if you are coming from Onitsha, you take your left and cross the road. Then you enter Ekwueme Square. So that is where the square is located. So enough work, or should I say massive work, is currently going on in this particular site, and I'm very happy to access this place. Whenever I'm passing by, I see like maybe what is going on there is not that massive or is not that huge, but immediately I gain access, I notice that a lot of work is going on. I did not give a tour about only this place, but in my next video I will also be bringing you another new update concerning some of the infrastructures. And anytime I have time, I'm embarking on this journey to give you more updates concerning the latest infrastructures being put up by the new government of Anambra State, and also give you a tour and a view of Anambra in general, so you see how Anambra is. Like I said in the last video of Asaba that I made, I've ended anything Asaba. Now we are moving into Anambra State fully. So we're gonna be showing you everything about Anambra, from the infrastructures to the to the tourist destinations and everything. So the Ekwueme Square is currently under reconstructions, and I believe in no due time everything will be completed. I'm not sure if it will be completed this year, but maybe by next year, maybe middle of next year or before the middle of next year, it might be completed from what I'm seeing so far, because the major work they have there right now is that new sitters that are being put up. Apart from that place, other works are just kind of minor work that can be finished up within some few days. So the major work there is that new sitters they are putting up there. So that is only the major work I can see that is currently delaying anything that is going on there. So this is all I have for you guys for now, until I come back again with another video. So if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do us a favor, subscribe to our channel, click on the like button to like this video, and don't forget to share so that this video will get to a wider audience. Please don't forget to subscribe, because a lot of people watching my video are not my subscribers. So as you watch, kindly subscribe. Thank you. Have a lovely day, guys.